Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and the question today in this episode is how many devices connected to the internet is too many? That is to say, how many can your router handle? I've got a router that was gifted to me, and it's not a normal router. It's the Orbi 960 from Netgear, and it'll support hundreds of devices, okay, way more than my house would hold. So in summary, I guess, if you've got a really good router and you've connected it to a 1 gigabit fiber connection, then knowing how many devices can be connected is the key to that lock.
Hi, this is Guy Cook, and the ways to get in contact with me, well, you can contact me through the GuyRCookReport.com or https://GuyRCook.com. There's a contact form there. Or you can call the new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. Look forward to talking. Hi. The reason for this section of the video is to remind you to subscribe or at least like. It's a wrap.